What's up, y'all? Welcome to Stelly Grills and Chills. Hey, we finna cook a lot of great food today. So hey, you know what time it is. Let's get it. So let's start off by chopping up our onions. Now this is just a simple chop, y'all. Just a simple chop. And oh yeah, don't forget to give me that LSL. And you already know what that is, right? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And once we get our onions chopped, we're gonna go ahead and simply chop us up some bell pepper. Just simply chopping this up. Chop it, chop, y'all. Now once we get our bell pepper chopped, we're gonna turn our attention to our liver. So we're gonna go ahead and rain on them right quick. Hit them with a little salt, a little pepper, fresh of course. Then once we get it all seasoned up, we're just gonna give this a quick little dice. Well, not quite a dice, we're just cutting it up into smaller, manageable pieces. They don't even have to be the same size, y'all. Don't even have to be the same size. So once we get all that cut up, we're gonna go ahead and get us about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Now you can use vegetable oil if you choose. That's fine and dandy. And in this bowl, I simply have some regular all-purpose flour. It's just seasoned up a bit with a little salt and pepper. And we're gonna give these pieces of liver a quick dredge, and we're gonna get them on in that oil, y'all. Now once we get them in that oil, the only thing we're trying to do is brown them, y'all. Just brown that flour. So let's get them on in there, y'all. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Now me myself, I'm a liver man. You know, I eat chicken livers, and of course, you know I eat beef liver and calf liver. So hey, if you don't like liver, I understand, cause it ain't for everybody, but it is for me, y'all. It is for me. And hey, even my wife like liver, and she don't like nothing. Once we get all our liver in the pan, well, not all of it, because I had to do it in batches, y'all. We're just gonna get it brown, and we're gonna keep on adding in liver until we get all our flour brown. Oh yeah. Now that all our liver is done, let's go and get everything out that pan. And it's time to build, y'all. It's time to build our gravy. Now to our pan, we're gonna go ahead and get our veg in, which is onion and bell pepper. Then we're gonna go ahead and give this a little mix. Now we're gonna go ahead and saute these onions and bell peppers until we get a nice caramelization on it. Now, of course, we got to make sure we get all those little crispy bits up, y'all. Got to do that. Oh, yeah. I already know y'all know it smells good in here, don't you? And you know we got to get those little crispy bits. Make sure all that good flavor is continued throughout our dish, y'all. Now to this, we added 2 cups of beef stock. I ain't get it on tape though, y'all, but you know it be that way sometimes. But anyway, let's go ahead and get our mushrooms in. Now, this is totally optional. For me, I like that extra kick of flavor that I get from the mushroom. Now we're just gonna let this simmer and cook down for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then you know what time it is, right? We're gonna add that liver back in. Now see, the flour from the liver is gonna help start creating our gravy. And oh yeah, y'all, when this comes together, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So yeah, once we get everything in, we're just gonna make sure that everything is under the water. Well, not water, but stock. And we're gonna let that cook down for about 3 minutes. And look at what we got, y'all. You see that gravy starting to form? Looking good? Oh yeah. So we just gonna let this simmer. And guess what? After that, it's gonna be time to eat, y'all. It's gonna be time to eat. So in my bowl, you know I had to have me some rice. And after that rice, I start spooning in that beautiful gravy with the mushrooms and that tasty liver. Oh my goodness, y'all. This was so good. This was so good. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.